Hello everyone, how are you? Welcome to my YouTube channel, Product Knowledge. My name is Alex Afiri, for those who don't know me, but I'm also known as Cancer Courageous. So today we'll look into the introduction to marketing management. For all those people who are doing marketing, who are doing digital marketing, you are very much welcome. And also, please subscribe so that we'll be getting more intel on what we are sharing and talking about. Okay. So marketing management. What do we understand by marketing management? So a marketing management is the process of planning, organizing, implementing, and controlling marketing activities to satisfy customer needs while achieving organizational goals. It focuses on understanding the market, creating value for customers, and building strong customer relationship that leads to sustainable business success. So this definition is clear and well understandable enough. So what we can say when we are dealing with marketing, so marketing is just you are marketing your brands. You're marketing your brand so that your consumers or clients will be able to see what you are doing. Okay, then management, this is just the superior position where now you are in charge of planning and also organizing and also implementing and also controlling that organization you are dealing with. So when you say marketing management, it just simply means of a marketer plus a manager, but held in one position. So meaning you are dealing with two things at the same time, your marketing as well as management process also. So you are just combining these two. You're marketing the brands of your company, the products, as well as managing that company also, so that the consumers and clients will be able to see the clear picture of what you are doing. So that's a marketing management. So at its core, marketing management involves identifying customer needs and wants, designing products or services that meets those needs, setting appropriate prices, promoting offerings effectively, and ensuring efficiency distribution. These activities are commonly referred to as the marketing mix or the 4Ps, which is product, price, place, and promotion of the 4Ps we are talking about. So it has already mentioned when you're talking about marketing, you're supposed to know what you're marketing for, what you are bringing to your customers. Okay. When, for example, when you are marketing, like let me make an example of a peanut. You're marketing a peanut. A peanut butter, you are supposed to take that item, then see the clients supposed to buy that item and also see the suitable location, because you can't take a peanut butter to a place where they cultivate groundnuts, okay? Because a lot of people from that area already know, like groundnut, we can produce peanut butter. We can use it in maybe porridge, bread, breakfast, all those. So a peanut butter, you can take that peanut butter to people who cultivate maybe maize because they don't know that peanut butter and they don't cultivate that peanut butter. And for you doing that, you'll be able to sell clearly, okay, and make more money. So when we are talking about marketing, it's just to see, to know where your product will be selling from. And also the price matters. Prices for when we come for instance, Lusaka, we have prices. We have higher class places, medium, as well as in our local language, we say common. So when you're advertising things, when you're selling that product at a mall, and also you are taking that item to the rural areas or yes, to a compound, you can't compare the prices and make one price. No, because you're supposed to see the livings of that side as well as the more. The more it can be expensive, slightly expensive, then the one which you take in the society, in the common, you can sell it at lower prices. For instance, you are selling bread. You are selling bread at a mall, you are selling it 24 kwacha. 24 kwacha. You can't sell 24 kwacha exact amount when you go in the society. The society, maybe you can sell it at 18 kwacha, a 2 kwacha difference, so that at least you can accommodate each and everyone. And also, when we are talking about promotion, this is essential to marketing because when you promote your goods, each and every month or each and every season, you're supposed to have promotions to attract your clients so that they can come back. For instance, we have summer season, and also we also have Easter season, Christmas season, Black Friday promotions. All those are promotions where you're able to attract your clients and make sure that the prices they are not the same. Okay, when you're talking about Black Friday, Black Friday, a lot of clients or a lot of companies, uh, they are selling their products at lower prices. Why? Because Black Friday is normal a day where you can buy things at a cheaper price. So you also have to understand all these criterias in marketing processes. Make sure to keep these 4 Ps, which is product. Know your product, your advertising, your marketing. Also know the price which you're going to sell that product, and also the place where you sell this item from, as well as make promotions each and every hour and day. So marketing management also emphasizes market research and analyze by studying consumer behavior, market trends, and competitors. Organizations can make informed decisions and adapt their strategies to changing environments. This helps businesses remain competitive in dynamic markets. This statement is just emphasizing on us who are in marketing. So, one, we have to understand our clients. Where we are, which country we are, we have to understand our clients. Like that example which I gave, like you can't sell peanut butter where they cultivate groundnuts, meaning you'll be making losses each and every time. Even if you advertise, you do your promotions, you can't sell that item. So first of all, we understand the behavior of our clients and also their needs. Okay, we have to be differentiating. And also, when we are talking about competitors, we have to understand. If me, I'm into solar energy productions or solar energy retailers. I'm selling solar panels. I'm selling the inverters. I'm selling the what? I can't go to a place where they do the same. No, I can't do that. I have to shift to somewhere suitable for me so that I can be making sales. At least I can be one or two somewhere there, not three companies are selling the same thing. Then even me, I want to go there. No. For example, if you are two of you, two companies are there selling the same product, meaning the prices and the promotion, they're supposed to be very different. You're supposed to be now competitive because that's your competitor now. You are supposed to be slightly cheaper than them and also make sure that the brands you are using, they are high quality brands. Okay? Informed decision and their strategic to changing environments. Each and every time, keep on informing your clients, keep on posting the ads on social media platforms, whether it's a Facebook, Instagram, or TikTok. Keep on doing that. Okay? This helps businesses remains competitive in dynamic markets. It just remains at the same whilst you are still growing, you are still making your profits. That's what we are really uh, saying about marketing management. Marketing management is not something to struggle or to do anything. No, it's just simple and straightforward. Once you follow these basics, you will be able to deal with your marketing efficiency. So in today's business world, so marketing management goes beyond selling. Okay, it focuses on customer satisfactions. Okay, value creation and long-term relationship. When you have your company, one, you are not just selling those products for the sake of selling so that you can make profit. No. When you're into business, remember that as you are selling your product, it goes beyond. When your client comes to your store, when you are into irrigation materials, and also farming materials, if a client comes to you and asks about things which you don't have, you're supposed to go beyond and have that item in store so that when that client comes to your store, comes supposed to find that item. That's what we mean when we say go beyond, okay? So that that client won't go anywhere, but that client will come back to you. Everything that client needs supposed to find it in your store. That's what we say. Marketing management goes beyond selling. Okay, with the growth of digital platforms, marketing managers now integrate traditional and digital marketing strategies to research wider audiences and improve engagement. There's what we call traditional. Traditional marketing. What is traditional marketing? Because traditional marketing is just simply means you go physically. Okay, you go physically. Let me give an example there is a season what we call showground. Okay, showground. Just the name itself, showground. You are inviting people to come and see what you are showcasing. That's what showground is here in Zambia. Different companies come together, they showcase what they are doing. That's tradition. You go in the field physically, telling people what you are doing. If you're into agriculture, show them what you are doing. We have this maize. This maize, when you do this, when you plant, when you use D compounds, when you use urea, this is what you get as a result. You are showing them physically. So that's what we are saying when we say go beyond okay, traditional and digital marketing strategies, all these comes to the marketing management. That's what we're saying about the marketing management, okay? It's just to tell, to convince your clients what you are really doing. So all in all, when we say in marketing, so in marketing, in summary, we can say marketing management plays a vital role in organizational success by aligning businesses' offerings with customer needs, ensuring that efficient use of resources and supporting growth and profitability in competitive markets. That's in summary, and it's clearly stated. So that's all what I have for you guys. But for more videos, for more information, you can follow my channel. Make sure to subscribe so that you'll be getting all the information you need. Okay, that's what I had prepared for you. Thank you so much, and hope to see you soon in on the next video. Thank you.